Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a continuous higher and higher what we have seen in the gold. After making a high of around $2790, we have seen there is a downfall. If you look at this particular chart, there is a higher chances that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of $2667, we can see there will be a further upside movement and chances of going further high will be there, because see, this particular pattern will form and we can see it can go towards 2693 and a probability of crossing 2723 will be there. And because this level is already being a weak level, so chances of crossing this level will be there and then a further high. But if the price didn't sustain and started going below a level of 2649, then we can see it can come down towards a level of 2628 and a probability of moving out of this zone will be there. And then it can come towards a level of 2599, and this is the zone where we have seen, so probability of moving further down will be there. Okay, now understand that, see, this is the level and this is the zone where if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, the dollar index, as I have clearly explained you, that once the price of dollar index started sustaining above a level of 106.2, chances are very high it can go further upside. Okay, and see, 106.5 is a good level, and once the price sustain this particular resistance, now the price is above this level and probability of touching a level of 107.3 will be there, and if that sustain, we can see it can go towards 108. Okay, and this is the level. If it crosses this particular zone, it can go further upside and a probability of touching 109.1 will be there, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come again towards a level of $106.5, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 106.1 and then to a level of $105.5. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of 104.5. Keeping that in mind, that if the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold and silver price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, a downfall, we can see the gold and silver price will go up. This is what we can see. So you have to understand 106.5 is a strong level. So if it comes again towards this level, we can see a bounce back, or if it started going below this level, probability of touching 105.5 will be there, and then a further downfall we can see towards 104.5. Or if it started sustaining a bounce back towards, we can see a level of 107.5 and then to a level of 108. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see. Again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high that it can go towards a level of around $2663. Okay, and if the price keep moving above this particular level, chances of crossing a level of 2672 will be there. Okay, and if the price started sustaining above 2672, okay, because this level is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can move towards a level of $2686. Okay, and once the price sustaining over a level of 2686, the probability of crossing a level of 2691 will be that this 2691 is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can go towards $2697. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2709. Okay, this $2709 is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can touch a level of 2717. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside towards a level of $2722. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout at a level of $2728, so we can see a further upside movement. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, if the price started going out of this zone, you can trail your SL by $5 or $3, so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if the price didn't sustain, a probability of moving further fall we can see towards this level of $2655. Okay, which is a strong support, so a bounce back can come from this particular level. But if started falling below this level, then the next level coming at a level of 2645. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2635, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $26.30. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of $26.22, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $26.19. Suppose if the price started falling below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 26.10. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards a level of around $26.03. Okay, then this particular pattern is supporting towards downside, so we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around 26.87, and then to a level of 25.87, and then to a level of 25.82, and then a further fall. So if the price started falling below a level of 26.04, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.